to programming tricks. Within 2-3 minutes, we can understand the basic concept of computer programming with 3 simple easy steps. This is basically for the beginners in computer programming. So we can look into the 3 steps. So in maths, we have functions as like this. So for an example, f of x equal to 2x plus 5, 3f of x equal to 3x plus 5, something like that. These all are coming from mathematics. Maths is there. We can try to convert the same to a programming language. So now we have, first one we have taken this expression to like this. So step 2. So now we have this one. So here x is the input variable and let's assume it will be integer. Also f is the name of the function, and for every input x let's assume this output will be an integer. Let's assume integer for this special case. So as like this output function name integer, just identify, just simply identify what is all the things, that's only. So now step 3. So here we are now converting this to a programming language. Let's assume C++. By adding some small syntax of the programming language, we can convert the same thing to a C++ program. Actually, what we are doing is in C++, integer will be denoted as int. So int only we will write. Then for output we will give return. In front of our output expression we will write as a return. And all the lines ending with a semicolon in programming language, especially in C++. So we will put a semicolon. So we will remove this equal to sign also. So we have converted to C++ programming language. This is C++ programming language. Small function. We have a small function. This is integer is input and integer will be output. So now we are trying to execute with the help of an online compiler. We are trying to execute. So we have a small online compiler here. So here we can see these all are syntax and this all some things are related to C++. This also related to C++. Main function of the C++. This is that particular header file. That all are related to C++ that we can study in another video. But now our video, this one, this is the function we write. So we will calling here. Here only we are calling f of 14 equal to giving to y. So and this we are printing this y. So just execute. Result is 33. Now 144 we have given. Result is 293. So instead of 2x 4x, based on it will be result we will get. Now based on the result we will get. Use some decimals also. So what I did is I have written a name function called ff. So I have put input and output as double. So we will get decimal numbers. So I have written 5 point. I called ff function name ff and then given a 5.41 as a input. So it will give into output to y and it will print. So we can use this ff function named ff for getting result as a double, input also double. So running this one, so we will get a result in double. So we'll get the result. So instead of int, we have used double here. This int and double are called data types. Basically, now what we studied is how to write a function in programming. But this is the very basic level study in computer programming. We have so many things to learn. But with this, we have learned the main logic of programming, which is functions. Because programming always contains functional functions. All will start from the main function. So if we understand this correctly, we will easily reach into the deeper sides of the programming language. So this is it. If you are interested, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.